No matter where the road takes you or which elements confront you, the Meteor FX is up to the task. Keeping you protected, comfortable, and dry when facing even the harshest conditions starts with a combination of a double-stitched, lightweight, split-grain leather chassis and integrated Drytech waterproof membrane. Internally, protection continues with a reinforced toe and heel and large reinforced shifter zone. Complementing all this protection are key features that makes the Meteor FX an exceptionally comfortable boot. And this all starts by getting the boot on easily thanks to an articulated entry design backed by a full-length zipper and protective cover to ensure a secure fit. The Meteor FX also boasts an extensive range of motion thanks to the massive waterproof full-flex articulation panels along the front and back. Completing this list of ride-specific features are a low-profile toe box, non-slip sole design, a full 360 degrees of reflectivity, plus the Meteor FX is also available in a mid-height option as well. The waterproof Meteor FX. Ready for the elements? Ready for the ride.